In today's video, I am explaining how you change a throttle body injected or fuel injected small block Chevy over to a carburetor. If you guys haven't checked out my channel, please subscribe and like if you like it. I did a complete engine swap in a BMW E36 for my drift car, so this is just gonna be like a little update how-to thing. I like doing those. I mean, it brings some traffic into my channel, and if you guys like what you see, I mean, subscribe. So anyways, this was a 92 block throttle body injected small block Chevy I picked up for 250 bucks. Had 120,000 miles on it. So pretty much the only thing you gotta do, if you have an older one that uses a fuel pump or a manual fuel pump, you gotta take that out and you gotta put a plate over it, just like, if you can see it, this one right here. So that'd be the first thing. The second thing, you can't use the throttle body intake. So actually it's used, but I got a Out-of-Brock Performer carburetor intake, dual pane I think it's called, but it has a split between the two. And you see right here, it's really dirty. I don't know if you can actually see it, but that bolt right here, I had to notch the intake because on the Vortec heads, they go on an angle they go on an angle or something like that. They don't fit in there. So you just have to cut the little notch out. It's pretty simple. You got 4 bolts you're gonna do it on, 2 on each side. And then you just have the problem with the vacuum lines. So I have this one plugged up, and yeah, put in an HEI distributor just like that. I got a bunch of wires. It's a mess right now because I literally just started my engine. If you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and go over there and check it out. But other than that, it's extremely easy. I was told that there was problems. I was told that they don't run right and stuff like that, and it's all because the vacuum lines or that little notch that you have to cut into the intake. But yeah, I successfully did it. Very easy. Cheaper way to go than trying to find like an old block. I mean, I couldn't find one. So that makes all these newer throttle body injections disposable to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it made sense. If you guys have any questions, please write a comment down and I will answer them immediately. And like I said, if you're interested in this build, this is a 1993 BMW 318 IS. Welded diff, small block Chevy swap with an NV3500 in there. And yeah, it's been a long process, but it's starting to get warmer, so things will be popping up sooner. So yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel and check out some videos. Thank you guys.